Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Stocks with You. I'm your host Ulises Herrera. You're now rocking with the best. Guys, I just like to encourage everybody, look at our sign up for the channel. First of all, look at our predictions. We were right from yesterday, guys. Yesterday we said we were gonna pump, and we did. We are now pumping. So I encouraged everybody to sign up for the channel. You need to sign up for the channel because it's almost detrimental to you if you don't, because you could have missed out on somebody giving you a heads up like, oh hey, things are gonna pump, you know. So this is what we do, guys. We're not giving financial advice. We just give people a heads up of what we think is coming, and most of the time it tends to be correct. Nobody can ever be correct 100% of the time, but most of the time we are correct, guys. So sign up for the channel. It won't hurt you. It'll just basically, if you don't like the channel, unsubscribe, and later on you could be like, that guy was boring, you know, blah blah blah. But we're giving you real information that can help you out in your trading in the long and short term. It is December 15th, 12:18 p.m. California time at the time of this recording. Guys, we're going to talk about what is going on with Ethereum, because yesterday we made a prediction that we thought that Ethereum was going to pump, and guys, our prediction is correct. Once again, our prediction is halfway correct. We're not all the way correct yet, guys, so we're not completely out of the woods, but we are much better than we were yesterday when I talked about this. We're at $4,000, guys. Yesterday when we talked about our prediction for Ethereum, we were around here. Where were we around? Probably we're around here, and we've pumped 5% since. I had a prediction of 10%, as you guys recall in yesterday's video, which I will put at the end of this video so you can go watch it if you haven't seen it. Now we're halfway there, guys. So what does this really mean? Are we out of the woods on Ethereum? It just means that we are pumping as kind of predicted through this golden dot that I showed you guys here yesterday. I said, look, usually after this a move comes, you know. It tends to be not huge because it doesn't mean much on lower time frames, but at least it's a move, and we were right. So we are now at 4,034 at the time of this recording. The next target price for us is to break above 4,050 and then get to 42. Let's call it 4250, guys. So we are halfway there already. So if you guys like the fact that we were able to predict the fact that we're gonna have a little pump, like, subscribe, hit the notification bells, guys. We are 5%, guys. Now anybody who's trading leverage, this 5% move could have been 15-20%. Obviously I don't recommend anybody trade on leverage unless you really know what you're doing. I personally don't trade on leverage because I haven't had the cash flow to move to a leverage account, but you know, here we are. It's 5%. Now what's gonna happen for the next couple hours? It looks like we are pumping, guys. Now we need to print a candle above the 200-day moving average on the 1 hourly. We need to print a candle up here, guys. If we print a candle up there, that could be a good thing. Now obviously right now I'm seeing that the momentum hasn't really broken out yet in the 1 hourly, guys. We had a bit of a downtrend overnight, and now we haven't broken out towards positive momentum yet, but it seems like we could get there. Now we need this to keep going up like that, because then that'll give us even more power to push through to the 4250 for our price target, guys. So right now on the 4 hourly, it looks like we haven't even, I mean, whenever you guys get a big move, whenever we get a big move, we usually see the TTM squeeze starting to show blue and then really off blue when it's starting to fizzle out. But we need some blue, guys. If we can get that blue, that would be a really good thing. But one thing that I'm not super excited about is the fact that the momentum waves here haven't broken up towards the upside. We need these waves to go like this, and then we need this to stay above here so we can get some major pumpage. These are the momentum waves, guys. So the momentum waves as well, like they are on the TTM squeeze, they're not up, so that's why we're not getting a significant move. But also we could be seeing something of like, hey, if we are able to print a candle above 4250 on the 4 hourly, we could likely see the $4,700 again, guys. This is speculation. Obviously, that doesn't mean we're gonna get there. Bitcoin is, Bitcoin's getting some nice pumpage too. We are creating this sort of like W pattern here, like this major W pattern here. Check this out, guys. So I use this, and this is kind of like some crazy W pattern. 1, 2, 3. This could be like a triple bottom touch pattern, and if we break towards the upside, that would be great. I don't know that we have the steam to break above 51,000 just yet. I obviously knock on wood, but it doesn't seem like we have it. But if we do, that would be crazy, because this would be a straight up triple bottom, one touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, explode up, and that is a bullish pattern. A triple bottom and you break above the neckline is very bullish. We could probably see like the neck. Right now we're at a Fibonacci right here at the 61.8 of 49,000, guys. We need to print a candle above these Fibonacci's, guys. That doesn't guarantee us breaking above this last point of resistance, which was 51,000. So we'll see. The next hypothetical target out of this broken Fibonacci would be 52,000. That's the technical price target until the next Fibonacci, and then we have a resistance. But if we can shoot up here and then just stay above here and then try to break up like that, that is ultimately what we want to see, guys. That is what we want to see. We don't want to keep breaking down here, because the more we break down here, the less it's going to be likely that we're going to hold, and we're going to see lower price targets, and that is not what we want, guys. So guys, things are looking somewhat bullish right now. Let's not get super excited until we start breaking major support levels, guys. We can't get excited yet, but it looks nice. It looks good. Like, we could be somewhat excited, but let's be realistic, guys. We need to break some major resistance points and print candles above them. So for now, that's kind of all I have, guys. And a lot of other things are pumping too. I mean, look at how much the mark has been brought up. You have, H bar. A lot of people talking about H bar. 8% up. Mana 3% up. Matic 10%, just pumping, guys. You got Cake Swap, I believe. Yeah, Cake Swap. Up 7%. So guys, it's looking pretty crazy. Helium, guys, up 11%. I'm mining helium personally, guys. If you don't know what helium is, you should really look into it, guys. I'm making money by basically doing nothing very easily. Obviously, the helium miners are hard to get a hold of, but yeah, it's pumping, guys. This is good. I mean, this looks nice. Solana is up 9%. So things are looking pretty decent, guys. Things are looking pretty decent. Can't complain right now. Let's hope this momentum stays here and we can break major support levels, guys. Thank you very much for watching. You can always get out of the rat race too. I will see you on the next one.